The Brazil-spec Toyota Yaris has been awarded 4 stars rating in the latest round of crash tests conducted by the Latin NCAP. This feat was achieved after it managed to score 26.99 out of 34 for adult safety and 38.05 out of 49 for child safety. In terms of safety features, the Brazilian-spec Toyota Yaris is offered with dual front airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, ISOFIX child seat mounts, front seat belt pretensioners and seat belt reminders. Despite basic safety features, the Brazil-spec Yaris failed to provide adequate protection to the driver as well as the front passenger due to an unstable structure. Moreover, the vehicle only gets 2 airbags in the vehicle and the footwell area reportedly does not meet the Crash Test Organization norms. It is important to note that the India-spec Toyota Yaris is yet to be rated by the global NCAP. However, the vehicle complies with Indian crash test norms. In India, we get 7 airbags as standard along with the electronic stability control, which is not offered in the Brazil-spec model. However, we do not get the ISOFIX child seat mounts on the rear seats.